Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you can add or insert a text into cells or into a set of cells in a row in Excel. To do so, let's begin by selecting the row to which we want to insert the text next to numbers. Next step, under number, in Home tab, click on the arrow next to it and select Custom. Next step, what we want to select the value 0.00, which will reflect the numbers that they remain unchanged. Next step, we're going to put quotation mark and a little spacing because we want the text to appear with one space difference between it and the text and numbers. Next step, we are going to type the text which we want to add and again quotation mark and click OK. And as you can see, my text has been added next to the numbers with one spacing between it. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.